Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to erase your Cash App history. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you have not already. So if you do not already have it installed, what you can do is go to the search bar on your mobile phone, search for Cash App, and find the application. So once you find it, go ahead and install it. And once you have installed it successfully, now we can go ahead and get started logging in. So go ahead and log in using your phone number or your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other settings that we have. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, if you want to take a look at your history and erase it, this is what we can do. Basically, as you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, we have the sections tab where you can find all the sections we can access, such as our home page, we have the card icon, and so on. What we're looking for is right here at the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, you have your clock icon, and by finding the clock icon, guys, this is going to be our transaction history. So click the clock icon in the bottom right corner. By clicking it, it's going to open up a new menu where you can take a look at all your Cash App transactions and payment history. You can find all the payments you have. So what you can do is select the payments that you want to delete, long hold them, and delete them, guys, by long tapping on them. You can select the delete option. That's going to enable you to clear your history as much as you want and your transactions, payments, everything you need. And basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.